Welcome students, welcome to my live class. Today I have come here in live by taking the new topic, the congruency of the triangle. This I am going to explain here from the basic level to the senior level. Students, for the senior level students also and basic level students also, I want to start from the basic introduction, right? And here look, I am going to start first. First of all, I want to explain here the meaning of this congruency. Okay, what is the meaning of this congruency that I want to show you here? Okay, what is the meaning of this congruent? Okay, congruent, and then there is given triangles, right? And in this case, okay, if two triangles, okay, they have same shape and sizes, those two triangles are said to be congruent triangles. To be the congruent triangles, okay, they must satisfy, okay, these conditions that I want to show you here. There are altogether five conditions, or we can tell them five axioms also. Okay, if any two triangles they satisfy these five condition, okay, right, those two triangles will be called congruent triangles. Okay, those five condition or five axiom, or we can tell five tests, are the first one. Look here, as 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 axiom. Okay, first one is this as axiom. The first one test is that. Okay, I will explain about this. Okay, and next one is that as a s, okay, axiom. What is the meaning of as and a, and that I'm going to explain with the figure here. Okay, first of all, let me write this all these axioms. And first one SSS, then SAS, then angle, side, angle axiom there is. Okay, then right here axiom also, we can write test also, or we can write theorem also, theory also. Okay, all are same there. And okay, first I told SSS, then SAS, then ASA, then fourth one is there angle side. Okay, right, and this we can tell anti-clockwise also, this SAA also. Okay, AAS and SA are same, SAA. Okay, and final one is that right angle, R for right angle, hypotenuse. Okay, and side axiom, right? These are the five axioms which will be used to prove the triangles congruent. Okay, this is right angle, hypotenuse, and side here. Okay, right here axiom also, this right here axiom like this. Okay, yeah, These are the five axioms which will be used to show the triangles congruent. Right? Look here. This S stands for side in this axiom, and A stands for angle. Okay, and this RSS one, R stands for right angle, S stands for hypotenuse. Okay, and this S stands for side, right angle, hypotenuse, and side. Okay, these are the five axioms which will be used to show the given triangles, two triangles. Okay, congruent triangles. These are the five axioms, the five we can tell theorem also we can tell, or we can tell them test also. These five axioms will be used to show the triangles congruent. And why do we show the triangles congruent? That also I want to explain, okay, in the question. Look here, these are the axioms, okay. And now look here, children, and for this one, okay, I want to take the help of one question. The question is like this here. I will try the question here. Okay, according to the question, there is given, okay, and that is given in the figure. This is the question, okay. Look here, I'm going to try it here. Question is given like this. Look, in in the figure, right? In figure, it is given like this. In figure, right? In figure, there is given AB parallel to CD, right? Here is given like this. Look, AB side is parallel to CD. It is, look at AB is parallel to CD given already, and there is given another thing also, and there is given AB parallel to CD, and AC is equal to CE given. Okay, AC is given equal to, this side is equal to, AC is given equal to CE. Okay, CE, right, like this given. And question has asked us to prove here, then prove that. Question is asking to prove that. Here is the question, prove that. Okay, question is given, prove that triangle ABC, look at triangle ABC, okay, is congruent to triangle. Here is given to prove, this is the symbol of congruence, okay, and here is equals to sign. Over the equals sign there is similar, okay, symbol of similar triangle. ABC is congruent to triangle CDE, okay, we have to prove this triangle CDE, okay. And now look here, I want to draw the figure for this question. The figure is like this, look at children. Figure is given like this. Draw here like this. Okay. Two sides, okay. These two sides are given parallel, okay. And this, look here. This side, okay, are joined. Okay, and this also joined here. And over this there is drawn parallel, okay. This side is parallel to this. Over this here is given arrow. It means these two sides are parallel, okay. And the name of the side, okay, this side is a b, it is given ab, this side is given ab, and this side is given there de, okay. Here write d and here write e, okay. And wherever these two lines are intersected, this point is given there c, right? And according to this question, look, this AC part, this AC, okay, and this CE part, it is called like this. It means this AC part is equal to CE part, okay. Like this cutting means these two sides are equal. And now look here, from this figure we have to prove this two triangle. Look, this triangle, okay, this triangle ABC, okay, look here, this ABC, we have to make congruent with this triangle CDE, okay. These two triangles should be proved congruent, okay. Now look here, I want to show you here. And look children here, this part, okay, is little bit down, okay. That's why look here, I want to join this one first. Okay, this is side, okay, and this is side DE, that's why this I'm writing DE here, okay, and this side is AB, right? That's why I'm writing this B little bit off, this E also I have written there off. This, I don't want to repeat this one here, same later, that's why I have got this E point here, and this B also I'm writing little bit off, right? This point is B, and this B I want to write here so that it will not be hidden there. And look here, this is side AB and this is now side D. Okay, now see here, while proving these two triangles congruent, what we need to do, see here. First of all, write here given. Okay, first step is to write here given. Okay, what are given in the question mentioned here, okay, in this topic, write a given. And in this topic given, what is written here, write that same. In the question, what are the given values, write that. Okay, right, all the things. This is given there, AB is parallel to CD, it's already given here, right? And another value is also given, that is AC, right? AC equals to, it is given the AC equals to CE, okay? AC equals to CE also given there. These two values are given there, okay? They mention their given values, right? And after this mention, okay, we have mentioned here, and after that we have to write the topic. Next one is to prove. Write the topic to prove here, to prove. And in this prove, what we are going to prove according to this question, it is also mentioned in this question. Look, prove that one. That we have to write here, okay? Triangle, we are going to show triangle A, okay? B, right? C, triangle ABC, we are going to show congruent with, okay, this is congruency symbol. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle, we are going to show congruent with the triangle CDE, okay? Right here CDE. This is also already given in the question, right? Now after this we have to write a proof. Okay, write a proof, and under this proof we have to make table, right? Let's make table here. Let's make table here. Okay, let's make table here. Okay, this may a little bit longer here. Okay, and now draw this down on. Okay, here like this, and here also like this. Okay, and then close this table and divide this also like this, right? And here also mention this one. Here we are writing serial number, right? And next one we are mentioning here statements. Okay, write here statements, write here statements here. Okay, and here also we are writing a serial number. Okay, and after this we are mentioning here regions. Okay, write here region, write here regions. Okay, regions. And now first of all write here in number one, always which triangle we are going to show congruent, write them. Okay, here we are just writing them again, right? Okay, which triangles we are going to show in triangle, which triangle here, ABC, right? Right, A B C. Okay, and triangle CD. Okay, C D E. Okay, right here CD. One triangle is ABC and the triangle is CD. In this two triangle we are applying which one axiom? Look here, here will be three step. Okay, one, two, three, right? Then first of all, see here, children, this AC side is equal to CE side. It's already given. As we know that if these two lines are AB, look, AB is parallel to DE or ED, then these two angles will be equal because they are alternate angle. Okay, and here we can write this. Look at this angle is equal to this angle because they are vertically opposite angle, right? And now here we have now which example? Look here, angle equal, side equal, and another angle also equal. That's why here became which axiom? A as A axiom. Okay, okay, among these five axioms we have to apply here which one is fit for this condition, this given condition. We have to apply that. Okay, and now look at first we have to write angle, that is angle BAC. Right here, angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to which angle here? BAC is equal to DEC, right here. Angle DEC. This is angle. Okay, mention here and circle also. And here number one, we have taken this two triangle, no reason. And number I is stay, we have tried being alternate angle. Okay. If the lines are parallel, then alternate angles will be equal. Right? Here being, its reason is being alternate angle. Okay. Okay. Alternate angles right here. Alternate angles. Okay. Alter. This is R. Okay. ALTR. Alternate angles. Okay. Being alternate angles right here. That equal because of alternate angles. Okay. Right here. Alternate angles. This angle. Okay. Now number two, look there. It's already given that is AC equals to CE. That condition is given already in question. Okay. AC equals to CE. Right. AC equals to CE. This side and this side. AC equals to CE. That's why mention here side. Okay. These two sides are equal. And next one is that ACB angle. Look here. A. This is symbol angle. Angle AC. B angle ACB is equal to another angle there is DCE. Okay, angle, this is angle DCE. Okay, this angle is equal, right? These two triangles are, look here, now congruent, right? Therefore this also, right? Reason number two, reason is what? Number two reason is, it's already given equal, right? Number two reason is given, already given the question. These two sides are equal. And number three reason is being alternate angle. Okay, right? Being alternate angle. Right here also being alternate angles. Being alternate angles like this. Okay, being alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay, being alternate angles right here. Okay, being alternate angles, they are equal. Okay, then final is two number there. Which triangle we had taken? Those triangle. Look at triangle A B C is congruent to triangle. We have to write a congruent to triangle. Which is the triangle? We have taken CD. Okay, that triangle name is CDE. Okay, these two triangles are congruent right here by ASA exam. Angle, side, angle, axiom, right? Okay, these two triangles are congruent by this axiom. Like this, we have to prove. Okay, two triangles congruent. Okay, by using these five axioms. Here in this condition, which one axiom is applied here? We apply this third one. Okay, third one, because this third one is satisfied by these two triangle. That's why we applied it here. And once again, look here, uh, distance, look here. Yeah, this is the very important part that I'm going to tell. Why do we show these two triangle congruent? Do you know? Because We are showing these two triangles congruent. After showing these two triangles congruent, their corresponding side and corresponding angles will be equal. Okay, as we know that, okay, this angle A and angle E are equal. That's why its corresponding side, what will be now here? Its corresponding side is, okay, BC. BC is corresponding side with here CD. That's why BC will be equal to CD here. Okay, because we have taken these corresponding sides of congruent triangles. That's why I want to repeat here. If the two triangles are congruent, after showing them congruent, we can tell their corresponding sides also and corresponding angles also will be equal automatically. That's why we show them congruent. That is the main reason, okay? Because after showing the triangles congruent, their corresponding sides and corresponding angles will be equal. That is why we show the given triangles congruent, right? If here was added one more question to prove, that is BC equals to CD. If it was asked in this question to prove BC equals to CD, then we could write in third number here, okay? In this third number, we could write directly, after showing these congruent triangles, we can tell directly BC equals to CD because BC is corresponding side with CD. Yes, and we have already proved that these two triangles are congruent. That's why corresponding sides of the congruent triangles will be equal. That we can add here. Okay, that is the one main reason that we show the given triangles congruent. Okay, and like this we can apply this other axiom also. Okay, by looking this given triangles, and in this given triangle which axiom is satisfied, we have to apply that axiom. Okay, this is right angle hypotenuse side, this angle side. Okay, we can tell it side angle also, and this third one, this one here, angle side angle, and this is second one is SAS side angle side, and first one is there side side side. Okay, like this we use the given axiom, these five axioms. Among these five axioms, which one is appropriate to prove congruent triangles? We have to apply that so that we can show the given triangles congruent, right? If you have any questions, you can ask me, okay? I will help you if you have any queries to ask about mathematics. Okay, this is the way to prove the triangles congruent. Okay, for this much only. I'll come in next day live by taking the different topic of mathematics. And today this much only. Thank you very much and see you.